All right, here's a question. We need to solve for D. Solve for D. So, first thing, let's factor the bottom. So D over 4, and then D minus 5 over, this will be D minus 5 times D minus 5, I think, equals D minus 4 over 5 and D minus 5. So if I look at my denominators, I've got that, and I have that. So my lowest common denominator will be, it needs to have a 4 in it. It needs to have a D minus 5. Well, this one's got 2 of them, so I need 2 D minus 5s, and I need a 5. So that's my lowest common denominator. So I'll multiply everything by that. I'm just going to do it in red here. So it'll be 4 times 5 times D minus 5 times D minus 5. 4 times 5. And those are all in the numerator, right? And then this last one, 4 times 5 times D minus 5 times D minus 5. Okay, so in this first one, the 4's cancel out, and one of the D minus 5's cancel out.
I'm coming.
So that'll leave me with a 5 and a D minus 5. Next one, the 2 D minus 5's cancel out. So that leaves me with minus 5 times 4 times 5 equals, on the other side, 5 cancels out, a D minus 5 cancels out. So I'm left with a 4 times D minus 4 times D minus 5. Oh, okay. So let's multiply this through. 5D squared minus 25. 5 times 4 is 20 times 5 is 100. Oh, I forgot that. It's 5D squared. 5D times minus 5 is minus 25D. I forgot that D. Equals, now here I would FOIL this out first. So let's leave 4 outside. So this would be D squared minus 5D minus 4D plus 25. Okay, I can't really simplify anything on this side. But on this side, I can multiply the 4 through. 5 and 4 is 9. So it's minus 9 times 4 would be minus 36D. Let me look at that. I think that's right. Plus 100. Okay, so now I've got, it's a D squared, so let's bring everything over onto the left-hand side. So I'll have 5D squared minus 4D squared minus 25D plus 36D minus 100 minus another 100 equals 0. So I just moved those 3 over to the other side. Collecting like terms, I'll get a D squared. This would be plus 11D. And minus 100, that'd be minus 200 equals 0. Okay, so now I have to find two numbers that multiply to negative 200. Did I get my signs there right? I think I have my signs right. Oh, I made a mistake back here. You might have noticed it. So this was, let me get a different color here. Right there, mistake. So D squared minus 9D, and that's 4 times 5 is 20. And then 4 times 20, this would be 80. And so that when I take it over, it'll be minus 80. So this would be minus 180. Okay, phew. Now, two things that multiply to 180 add to 11. So let me pause and I'll figure it out. Okay, I tried a bunch, 20 and 9, I think. So if I factor this, it'd be plus 20 and d minus 9. So d is equal to a minus 20, or d is equal to a positive 9. So those would be my solutions. They asked me to check that. Good idea. I'm just checking. I don't think either of those are a bad answer. So I think I would leave it with those two answers. Hopefully that'll work for you. Bye.